Guys, this hair mask is for the solution of every hair problem you have, and I promise this will actually help all the hair problems you have. For this hair mask you would need only two ingredients which are very easily available, and one is Desi ghee, which is called clarified butter. Those who are from Asia, they might know what is Desi ghee, but those who are from I think Western countries, they might not have an idea of Desi ghee, but it's a clarified butter in which the water of butter has been evaporated by giving it heat. So it is converted into a sort of clarified butter with no water in it. And the second ingredients are almond. For this hair oil, what you have to do, you would need almost 1 liter of Desi ghee or clarified butter, and you would need almost 2 handful of almonds. For this hair oil, what you have to do, you have to first put the Desi ghee or clarified butter in a small pan, and you have to heat it. Once it is heated, you have to add all the almonds in it and let them cook till they turn into black. Once it becomes hot, all you have to do, you have to lower the temperature to the slow heat and cook it till they become from the stove, and make it cool down. If you let it cool down for a long time on room temperature, it will become solidify. So you have to wait for some time, that it should not be that hot that you cannot handle, and transfer into some jar, any jar which is available. And whenever you want to apply this hair oil on your hair, what you have to do, you have to take either 2 or 3 teaspoons or tablespoon, depends on the length of your hair. Make it warm in a microwave or either on a stove, and apply gently on all over your head, and then wrap your hair with a hot towel. Let it sit at this hair oil almost for 2 hours or overnight, it depends upon you, and then wash it with your regular shampoo and conditioner. But always remember, wash your hair with the warm water, because Desi ghee or clarified butter will not go off from your hair. How this mask work on your hair, actually Desi ghee is a great source of antioxidants, and it has omega-3 fatty acids, so it works as an excellent natural conditioner for dry and frizzy hair. It also treats your split ends, and because of its properties, it prevents dandruff, because it has lots of vitamins and minerals, and because of that, it also gives you silky and shiny hair. Desi ghee also prevents hair from premature graying. Use this treatment thrice a week, and you will see the result. And tell me in a comment down below if you have any problem, or if you have tried, and what was the result on your hair when you have tried. So if you like my channel, if you like my videos, please comment below, subscribe. Bye bye.